Hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to add mods on Half-Life 1. I downloaded Half-Life Decay Solo Mission, which is a demo. First of all, you need 7-zip or WinRAR or Win.RAR. In order to get mods for Half-Life 1 and Half-Life 2, you need to go to ModDDB, which is a place where you can get mods, add-ons, and many cool things. Many of interesting mods. First of all, you click on the file right here, and then you go to Steam. First of all, you go to Steam, click on Browse Local Files, right click on Half-Life, drag the file to right here. And it will start the process to extract it right here in order to install it. And then, since it's already extracted, you create a shortcut for Half-Life 1. Right click right here, go to Properties, go to Half-Life Shortcut, Properties, and then you put dash game, and you put the name of the folder you put that you extracted. Game DK Solo Demo. You click Apply, and you click OK. You click Half-Life Shortcut, and also it will show the change game section, and that is where you can find the mods. You just have to wait to load. You go right here, you see this option, change game, click on it, and you will find Half-Life DK Solo Mission Demo. You click right here, and you click on change game. It will change the original game of Half-Life to a mod. And there you go. You have your own Half-Life. You have your own Half-Life mod here. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the bell button, and comment. This was a great tutorial, and I hope y'all guys comment and tell me what I'm missing. Well, actually, and tell me how was my video. Bye.